Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for joining us again for another vlog. Now today, we'll be showing you a very quick and easy way to prepare a low-calorie breakfast. Now, before we get into this video, we just like for you to leave us a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for further notifications. What you doing?
So I'm just preparing all the items that I'm gonna need to make breakfast. So we're trying to keep a low calorie breakfast, low calorie meals, so that we don't gain too much weight. Because we already have on too much, right? so this is CALLALOO. All Jamaicans will know it, but persons overseas probably don't know what it looks like. But this is CALLALOO. So this is how I see my mom do it.
There's the people from Jamaica overseas, but non-Jamaicans. Said non-Jamaicans. Yeah. So Kesna like buy the cut up CALLALOO, you know. So she like buy them just like this and peel them herself. But me when I cook CALLALOO, you know, me buy the cut up one them.
Yeah, he's lazy.
Yeah, God.
So we're gonna have this cut up into small pieces like this. I don't like when cut up CALLALOO on the road. Suppose like some little bug going on. Suppose I want caterpillar they dip on the reef and them couldn't bother wash it off. Or you know so them wash it good. What kind of water them use wash it? There's so many questions I have in my mind. Why would I ever use cut up CALLALOO on the road?
Well,
I eat myself.
me just come home and wash it. It cook for a reason, you know. When it cook now everything, you know, dead. And then too, if it have I want add caterpillar in it.
Oh my God.
Caterpillar add protein, that's how you go. More nutritious.
You know,
Yeah,
cook CALLALOO,
them bug they pack with nutrients, you know, so we don't really mind. But no, Marines the CALLALOO still. I'm just joking. I wash it, you know. I wash it. And I inspect it.
But you inspect something like already cut up. If you cut up in it, oh you're gonna know. Suppose you do pan and tap and in the inner the middle. You're not gonna know. You're not gonna know at all.
I hear you.
Yeah. So I don't do any cut up vegetables in the supermarkets. I don't do cut up meats. Cut up and season up meat. I don't like it. I have too much questions again. If them you wash the meat, if them cleaned up properly.
Yeah, but she not beat the people them who decide to do it though.
No, like do you?
Yeah, everybody have their own preference. Yeah, she not being judgmental. She just talk from her own personal.
This is just my preference, but do you people, please do you? You know, do what pleases you.
Cause to me personally, as me say, me don't mind the cut up CALLALOO, but she don't like it.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we have eggs, celery, parsley, we have sweet peppers, red and green, we have a small tomato, we have scotch bonnet pepper, and a small piece of onion, and we have our CALLALOO. We have our lettuce, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with our lettuce later. Alright, so we're ready. So basically the aim of this meal, and what we Jamaicans like to have our steamed CALLALOO, right? And that's great. We're just doing it in a slightly different way today. We're combining it with eggs. So I'm just gonna cut it up like this.
So what she's doing, the chef here, yeah, so what she's gonna do is a wrap. So she'll do a CALLALOO egg wrap. That's basically what she's gonna be doing today. Yeah, low calorie. So she not do the whole heap of carbohydrates, the dumpling and the banana and them things. She kind of cut back on that.
Yeah.
Less carbs, so your body will get less sugar. Carbohydrates convert to sugar, which in turn your body don't use up the sugar. It will eventually be stored as fat. So with less calories, less carbs, your body have the protein and the vegetables
and the fat. So we're going to be using margarine and coconut oil as our fat substitute, and of course we're getting fat from our eggs, right? Yeah. So what we're doing is eliminating or adding very little sugar to this meal, or ethanol, I can say that, carbohydrates. But in the end, it all comes down to glucose, which is just simple sugar, right? So all carbohydrates give you simple sugar, and that's why I call it sugar. So just cutting it up like this. So I want it to be very thin.
So ready, you're gonna cut off, you're not put as much stem in it?
Yeah, I don't want a lot of stem. I would like more of the leafy section to be in it more than the stem.
Right, so as I said before, right, she had a wrap on a regular steam callaloo she had.
Yeah.
She had a wrap, so when the excess stem in it now give the right texture when you bite into the wrap.
Yeah.
You know, so that is basically what she's saying, you know?
Yep. So a lot of persons who are overseas will prefer to use spinach. That's fine, but I guess this is the Jamaican version. It's the Jamaican version, you know. So I want it to be very small because it's going to be combined with eggs. And it might look a bit bulky now while cutting up, but when you actually when you actually put it in the pot, it's gonna get really small. So you watch that. This is basically comes from me finding innovative ways to have a healthier diet. This way I am getting in my greens, the iron, and all those nice things. Yeah, so this is a healthy way. One of the way that I found to make a healthy breakfast. You know? So you're getting in your greens, all these good stuff, right? And normally when we as Jamaicans use CALLALOO, we normally do it with dumpling, yam, banana, you know. But it's just a different way to do it. Of course, that is great, and I grew up on that, and that was nice. Kudos to mom. Enjoyed it. But it's just a different way to eat. Especially when you start advancing in age, you know, you have to be very careful of the food that you eat. So again, I'm focusing mainly on the leaves, the leafy section of the CALLALOO. And just combine it with my coconut oil spray.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So this you put the CALLALOO in, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have rid of this?
So we are going with.
Let's add in a little extra seasoning. Why I look it tastes good, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Small amount of black pepper. So I put all-purpose black pepper and salt.
Oh, Zane. What I make for tea?
Then we'll cover it.
Yeah, so orange peel. We're
That.
utilizing the orange peel. Orange peel rich in vitamins, especially the vitamin C.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So if we kind of stack up that, our body have adequate amount of vitamin C, especially this time where we have battling virus in the what go around, you know.
So I add my eggs. Now I'm gonna whisk it to combine it. There we go. Eggs are ready. Yes, it is being reduced, guys.
Yeah, so
Almost done.
basically you have to add the egg to it after to make the wrap. So that's how be the good stuff in the wrap. Yeah, so callaloo done steam.
Yep. Add my oil again. More fat.
So she will start scramble the egg. Scramble. Oh yeah, do it.
No, I'm gonna make like an omelet. Callaloo omelet.
Okay.
And top of it.
She want a perfect omelette, so she a baby it, you know? She don't want to tear up.
Once you start to move, that means you can lift it. Alright.
Wow. Alright.
Okay, so to get the classic omelette look, you know, just fold it again. There you go, one omelette done.
Yeah, so just have a barely warm the wrap. You don't want to put it on the heat too long because the wrap, if you heat too long, it will get crispy.
Exactly.
And spoil. You know, you can't get it for do what you want it to do. Yeah, so alright, so wrap them thing I know. Yeah, but actually we now have to put the omelette them all in it. Do it like that.
So you guys want to see a better image of this, right? So let me show you. So a little while back, I was on a keto diet, and I still maintain a very low carbohydrate diet. So this is a way, if you are on a keto diet, in that, you know, weight loss mode, you can use your lettuce to make a wrap, right? So instead of having the tortilla, you just use a lettuce, and that way you'll be basically eliminating a lot of carbs. So for the tortilla, the reason why we use that is because one tortilla gives us 140 calories, while
One slice of bread
one
probably
slice
about
of bread
130.
offers just like 130. And normally when you're making a sandwich like this, you would
Two
use two
slices
slices
of
of bread.
bread.
So you use one tortilla to make a wrap, and you're just getting, because the egg is just protein and fat, and the callaloo of course has very minimal, very small amount of carbohydrates. So basically you're getting your carb mainly from the tortilla with this. So you're getting basically 140 calories, which is a low calorie meal. And for this, well, you basically eliminate as much of the carbs as possible, so you're just depending on a little tiny amount. So you basically, this is basically a keto meal right here.